Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classic Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and very classy because it contains a wide variety of design ideas that how you can design your own different type of girls fashionable accessories stuff. That is, my today's video contains 7 different classy, unique and easy creative DIY ideas specially designed for hand embroidery lovers, hand embroidery artists and hand embroidery beginners. You can design your hair clips, hair pins, hair ponies, hair bows. Even you can design your safety pins for designing your hijab, scarf, stroller settings. You can design your hairpins. You can make very beautiful design ideas for designing and decorating your shirts with a very beautiful hand embroidered delicate and decent style buttons. And not only this, you can also design wide variety of design ideas for making your handmade hand embroidery jewelry like hand embroidered pendants, hand embroidered buttons, hand embroidered earrings, hand embroidered bracelets, hand embroidered rings and much more. But friends, the scope of these very beautiful and delicately designed hand embroidery stuff is not limited to this. You can also use these very beautifully designed, very pretty and easy to make, mostly lazy daisy based embroidery stitches, some boolean knot, some French knot and a very beautiful and creative view of fly stitch, bond stitch and much more. Very easy beginner embroidery stitches. You can make these beautiful floral designs for making an all over shirt kurti designed. I hope that friends, my today's video is very informative, creative and amazing trendy ideas based for you. So kindly do try these patterns. Most of these are based on lazy daisy stitch, and lazy daisy stitch is a stitch that is very easy and you can simply take advantage of its being easiness. So hope to see you soon back on my channel with some new content and new creative ideas. Up till then, take care of yourselves, of your loved ones, spread positivity and be a cause of positive motivation for others. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. See you soon back in my new video. Up till then, take care of yourselves.